All right, fans, now time for the piece of cake moving down Madison contest. 3 rows will go head-to-head to pass the pink piece of cake, moving and storage truck down to the end of the row and back to the other end. Fans sitting in the first row to finish, all will receive $100 to the MSG team store and a pink piece of cake Knicks foam hand. All right, Rose, if you're ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's close. Coming back now the other way. Row 3 is leading. And our winner is row 2. Congratulations. You're going home with $100 gift cards and a pink piece of cake Knicks foam hand for the entire row to the MSG team store, courtesy of Piece of Cake Moving and Storage. Thanks for playing.